What is up, my butter biscuits? So in today's video, you guys have been requesting this over the past 4 days, and this is something that I am just completely lost by because it's a topic that I didn't really want to talk about because I feel like it is just too messy, like way too messy, and I was like, I don't want to intertwine myself with that drama because I'm really trying to just stay in my own lane and stay on my channel and not intertwine with other people's because I've always been that way. But I'm stuck in a hard place because there's a part of me that's saying, don't create any content that you don't want to create, you know? And I don't know anyone anything. This is my channel and I can literally just keep it here and make things only that I want to make. However, now that I'm being known for a commentary, people want to hear my thoughts and opinions, and I'm getting pressured into talking about things that I may not necessarily want to talk about. And this topic, so many people, you guys know, if you guys were on my live, everyone was asking me to comment on it. I'm getting so many DMs, it's literally nonstop, to the point to where I'm like, you know what, I think I'm going to have to talk about it. But you guys let me know your thoughts on this, because this is where I start getting stuck as a content creator. Is, do I just only make content that I want, or do I also factor in, hey, this is what you want and I have to give it to you guys, so that way I continue having a, you know, strong connection with you guys, that way you guys are happy with my content. You know, this is where I'm like, I get a little lost. Anyways, I just want to give you guys this quick little statement, I guess, about me. Just in case you guys don't know this, I have been on social media for 5 years now. I am like, I feel like this is gonna sound conceited, and I don't ever like to mention numbers and things like this, but I feel like a lot of people are now knowing me here on YouTube as a drama channel, which I've tried so hard to not label myself as, because I know that with my social media content is so diverse. YouTube is my smallest platform, right? I have not even 100K on here, but throughout Facebook and Instagram, I literally have over 450,000 followers, which I'm bringing up. I hate mentioning numbers. I feel like that sounds so conceited. But the reason why I'm mentioning those numbers is because Instagram and Facebook don't know me for anything drama related. It is literally all comedy and all makeup. Comedy and makeup, that is it. Here on YouTube now, I'm being known for this. And this is where it does kind of suck, because I am loving creating this content. However, now on YouTube, I'm being known as just this, and therefore I may be linked into another group of people on here that I may not necessarily want to be associated with. So this is where things to me get a little bit rough. And the reason why I'm mentioning that is to keep in mind, I've built my social media platforms on comedy and makeup, and now that I'm dabbling in the commentary field, I feel like this kind of sucks, because I'm like, you know what, it's really messy here, and it's super messy right now. And this is where I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, my comments on this, I feel like personally should just be like held to myself, you know, because I don't want to offend nobody and I don't want to make anybody mad. But the truth of the matter is straight up, you guys, I am on an island of my own. I've mentioned that before in other videos. I don't have one single friend here on social media, not one friend on YouTube, and the drama within the drama community is so messy that I just really look at it from an outsider's point of view, and I say, you know what, the people that I thought that I may be friends with, I don't think that I would be friends with. I really don't. I feel like I wouldn't mesh well with anybody. The people that I have in my life, we have a problem, we'll text each other, we'll call each other, we'll meet up, you know, and talk about it. We won't take things online, and everything now is being brought online. And I gotta be real with you, that completely scares me, because I'm like, this is too messy. I grew up in an era when you have a problem with somebody, you go straight to that person, you talk to them. You don't talk to this person, talk to that person, post it on social media, post it as a Facebook status. You just don't do it. And now that I'm seeing this, I'm kind of like, wow, this reaffirms that I'm never going to have any friends on social media. I'm not. I'm just literally staying here filming videos with my friends, filming my lives with my friends, and I won't ever collab with people. And I think that sucks, because straight up, you guys, in order to grow on YouTube, you need to collaborate with other people. You really need to. If you are sitting here trying to do it for yourself, it's going to be hard. I've been on YouTube now for almost 5 years, and I'm not even at 100K, as to where my Instagram and my Facebook have grown so much because people repost it, they share it, they tag people in here. Obviously here on YouTube it's not like that, so it's very hard to grow. And I've known for a while that if I've ever wanted my YouTube to grow, that I'm going to have to collaborate with people. And don't get me wrong, you guys, like it would be a dream of mine to have a million subscribers. Of course, who wouldn't? But now I'm starting to just see things and say, you know what, I don't think I'll ever get there. And I think that that's okay. But the way things are going, it's better for me to just stay in my own lane and keep my distance from everybody. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because I have been mentioned in some people's tweets, you know, including all the drama channels and stuff like that. And I understand that now I'm being labeled as that, but I'm known for so much more, and my channel will be so much more. I'm not trying to be rude to the drama channels that are out there, but none of them can do makeup the way that I do makeup. And I know that that sounds really rude, and I hope it doesn't come across as hurtful towards people. But what I'm saying is I've perfected my craft, and I've been working in the makeup industry for 12 years. So I have a little bit of that talent. I'm very comical, you know. I feel like I'm just sitting here tooting my own horn, but obviously my comedy videos literally have millions upon millions of views on Facebook, and hundreds, well actually millions of views on Instagram as well too. So I'm known for these other things, so I don't want to be put into this one genre and then, oh bam, I'm all of a sudden associated with everybody else. I think that that sucks. And I don't know. Look, let's just get down to the nitty-gritty of it, okay? You guys have recently asked me about By Aly and Nick Snyder, and I feel like all of this drama within the drama community is just so messy that it's not really something that I feel like I need to be talking about on the internet. But when you're constantly hounded down for it, just like I mentioned with my Rich and Luscious video, I feel like so many people, like, you guys should see my DMs right now. They're literally flooded with, are you going to talk about this? Are you going to talk about this? I'm getting constantly tweeted about it, and I'm just like, it sucks, because I feel like if I talk about it, then I'm intertwined with it, and then I feel like I'm interjecting into their friendship, into what I feel like should have never been put on the internet. So just in case you guys don't know, Nick Snyder made a video, obviously low-key kind of exposing By Aly, and I let you guys know about By Aly before. I actually DM'd her like a month ago or so, when my whole Morphe drama was going on. She DM'd me, and she was very sweet to me and very nice, and she was going through some things on Twitter about a month ago with an unnamed friend. I don't even know exactly what it was, but I did DM her, and I said, hey, I hope everything's okay, keep your head up, like, all the hard times will pass and everything will come around, you know, basically, because I felt like she was a nice person. I saw she was going through some things, so I DM'd her that. And then now all these allegations are coming out that she made up a fake story basically about Nick's sobriety. And this is where I do feel like, okay, at this point he needed to make that video, obviously, to clear his name and put people into check, like, hey, I'm doing just fine in my sobriety and I'm keeping it that way, and these rumors and allegations are completely false. So that's where everything just, it gets so messy, and that's where I'm just kind of like, whoa. Like, first of all, it started off with Rich and Luscious, which was messy, and then now By Aly and Dustin and Nick, messy. And now, you guys, there is drama channels for the drama channels, and one day there's going to be drama channels for the drama channels for the drama channels. Like, it is literally just so messy, and I'm sitting over here like, wow, you know what, these are people that I thought I would actually possibly be friends with, because they seem so real and so raw and so blunt, and that's what I really like in a person. But then I start seeing that everything gets taken to the internet, and all friendships get taken to the internet, and the whole thing is just messy. I will continue watching the drama channels, because this is how I get a lot of my information to when I do my commentary, and that's why I let you guys know. If you guys want factual things, I think that you guys should go to a channel kind of like Spill Sesh or Tea to Spill or Here for the Tea. I don't know exactly which one, but those people have like the factual hard facts, and someone like me who's exposing my face and my personality is literally just commentary. That's why I've always tried so hard to say I'm not a drama channel, I'm commentary, because I don't have the actual facts to everything. If I take some factual stuff from Spill Sesh and I come on here and I give my little 2 cents about it, I don't have the actual proof. Spill Sesh is the one who has the actual proof, you get me? So that's why I'm kind of like, I'm showing my personality, I'm interacting with you. I come on here more so as two friends hanging out and chit-chatting, gossiping, because everybody likes to gossip. We all do it. So that's my whole thing here on social media, or YouTube rather. And I think that it sucks that now I'm being brought into this whole drama around when I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not friends with anybody on social media. Straight up, like, just because I follow somebody doesn't mean I know them in real life, doesn't mean I DM them, doesn't mean that we are friends. I literally just follow people, obviously, just to be a little metiche, like, be a little nosy, just to kind of see what's up and see what the gossip is about, you know? And I think that it sucks that now I'm being brought into this realm when I'm kind of like, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm known for so much more, you guys, like so much more, and I understand that now I'm gonna be labeled as that within YouTube because that's all my recent videos have been, but I feel like I shouldn't be put into this category, because I feel like the context of my videos is so far different, and I'm not part of that, you know? So the fact that I'm being tweeted and like, you know, DM certain things, I'm just like, whoa, I'm not part of that. I stay in my own lane. Videos that I do here on my channel are with my personal friends that I've been friends with for years in my life. I have not done one collaboration with another YouTuber. I'm just very separate, and I think that this whole thing sucks, because I will be real with you guys, I was excited to get into the drama community a little bit, because I felt like these people are, well, like I mentioned earlier, I feel like they're real, they're raw, I feel like there's somebody I could actually be friends with. And then now seeing how messy it is, I'm like, whoa, not gonna be friends with them. And the whole reason why I had said, you know what, screw the beauty community, I'm never gonna be a part of the beauty community as far as hanging out and being friends with people, because they are shady, they're fake, they're liars, they're conniving, they use people. Like, you guys, and I'm not even talking about just YouTube, this is actually working in the beauty industry. You know, you guys have known I've been part of the beauty industry for 12 years now, working at MAC for 8 years, and while I was working at MAC was the most eye-opening experience of my entire life, is seeing how shady people are, you know? And excuse me while I take a drink of water, because excuse me, I was like, my lips are getting dry, my mouth is getting dry, I'm talking too much. Working at MAC was some of the most eye-opening experience of my life, because I got to see people's true colors and see how shady people are, and they use people and they have fake friendships just to gain things from it, just to get promoted, just to move up in the company. And it was a very ugly side that I am like, you know what, I'm just gonna do my social media and stay in my own lane. And I did hope to build friendships within the beauty community, and then as soon as I started seeing people's true colors, I was like, nope, it's never gonna happen. And I was a little bit excited, because I will be real with you guys, about 3 months ago, I looked at Rich Lux's videos and I was like, oh my gosh, he's funny. He's somebody that I would totally be friends with. And then obviously as soon as you start seeing the drama unfold, then you're kind of like, oh, well, would I be friends? And I'm not saying, okay, look, don't mark my words and say like, oh, you're never going to be friends with them, because I don't know what they're like in person. But from what I've seen online, it just really looks like I'm going to continue staying in my own lane and continue just doing me, because everything that I've seen so far has been so messy and just not something that I want to be a part of, you know? And I think that that sucks, because I wanted to create social media to be social with people. Y'all know I'm a social little butterfly. I love to talk with people. That's why this is literally why I started doing this commentary series on my channel. Like, is to be social and to interact with you guys more, and hopefully interact with other channels. But now I'm just seeing like, it's just too messy for me, and I've never had drama like that in my life. Like literally even in high school, and high school is supposed to be the most dramatic years of your life, you know, with this drama and that drama. I've never had that with my group of friends, never have that. So that's why I'm just kind of like, wow, like seeing how messy this is, it's just, I don't know, it sucks. I don't want to be labeled, you know, this drama and that drama, when I'm like, I'm just on here giving my commentary, hanging out with my viewers, chit-chatting with my viewers, gossiping with my viewers, and that's it, you know? So I think that it sucks that all of a sudden now I'm being mentioned in these other tweets of, you know, these drama channels and these drama channels and the bad drama channels, the good drama channels, and I'm like, well, just keep me separate. Like, just keep me separate, because I ain't friends with nobody on here, literally not one of them. I stay in my own. And I will tell you guys straight up, in my personal opinion, as an outsider looking in, the drama community is a mess right now. But there are other people, and to toot my own horn, beep beep, there are other channels like me who I come on here, I'm completely unbiased, because look, you got people like Jeffrey, and I'm being real with you guys, a lot of drama channels, straight up, they kiss his ass. They really kiss his ass. And you guys know I do look up to Jeffrey. I do feel like he is inspirational, and he is the reason, in fact, he really is the reason why I got into makeup. But there's a lot of things that I feel like he does wrong, and I'm going to go ahead and say that on my channel, because I'm on here being not biased. And even though at one point in time I looked up to him and I still do find him inspirational, doesn't mean that I can't sit here and say, nah, what he did was wrong, that was messed up. And I feel like all these other channels are really kind of scared to say that, and I get it, because when you have the Jeffree stans coming for you, whew, they are the most hateful and hurtful people. I'm sorry, but they are. And the things that they have said to me, just because I said 2 bad things about him, the things that they have said to me is like, wow. But that's why I'm just like, you know what, I'm separate. I don't know, the whole point of this video, you guys, is to let you guys know that the drama community is a mess, and I'm on my own over here. And I do understand that for the past month, most of my videos have been drama. I'm capable of so much more, so I don't want to be put into that, you know? The drama community is a mess, the beauty community is a mess, and me, I'm just not somebody who likes to be messy like that. You guys know my videos. I've had every single opportunity under the sun to be messy and be trashy and call people out their names and be hurtful, but it's just not in me. And the things that are going on amongst the drama channels right now is just something I want to stay completely away from. You guys, if you guys are watching this video and are a little upset that I didn't go into every single detail of the drama channels, I encourage you to go ahead and do your own research and to look for it yourself. I'm basically just letting you guys know that all this drama that's going on, I'm not a part of. I'm not a part of at all, and I am in my own lane here, interacting with just you guys and you guys only. Anyways, y'all, I am really sorry for this video obviously being so long and not full of like chisme, but I just feel like it's not my place, it's not my part, and to be a drama channel to the drama channels is just kind of like, whoa, it's too much. So anyways, y'all, I love you guys and I really appreciate your guys' support. Seriously, guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.